Parts of a tooth.
Each tooth has different layers and parts that help in chewing and digestion. The main parts of a tooth are crown, enamel, dentine, gum line, root, pulp, cementum, and periodontal ligament. The crown is the visible upper part of the tooth that helps in biting, chewing, and cutting food. Enamel is the outer layer of the tooth. It is the hardest and strongest tissue in the human body. Dentine is the layer underneath the tooth enamel and supports it. Dentine makes up most of a tooth structure. Gum line is the area where the teeth and gums meet. It plays a crucial role in oral health as plaque and bacteria often accumulate here, leading to gum disease. The root is the part of the tooth that is set firmly in the jawbone. It holds the tooth firmly in place to withstand the force of biting and chewing. The pulp is the innermost part of the tooth that contains blood vessels and nerves. It provides nutrient supply to the tooth. It allows us to feel sensations such as pain, pressure, and temperature. Cementum is a hard layer covering the root of the tooth that helps it attach to the gums and jawbone. The periodontal ligament is a group of connective tissues that holds the tooth to the jawbone. It allows slight movement while chewing.
Types of teeth and their functions.
This is incisors. It is canines. It is premolars. It is molars.
Flat teeth.
The teeth in the front of the mouth are flat and are used for biting and cutting food. They are known as incisors. There are 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 incisors in the lower jaw.
Pointed teeth.
On either side of the flat teeth is a sharply pointed tooth. They are used for tearing the food. They are known as canines. There are 4 canine teeth.
Broad and grooved teeth.
The teeth present at the back of the mouth are broad and have grooves in them. They are known as premolars and molars. Premolars are located next to the canines. There are 8 premolars, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. The molars are located after the premolars. There are 12 molars, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. Premolars and molars are used for chewing and grinding the food to prepare it for swallowing and digestion.